This is a video for my insurance purposes on work-related tools. We're going to start with the cart. We're going to start with the basics. This is stuff I use every day. These are the sockets that are on the top, all the swivels. Then down below you have ratchet wrenches, adjustable with shorts. Behind it, got some lights. Screwdrivers on both sides, extensions, sockets, screwdrivers. Then we go to the top drawer. We've got electric impacts, air. We go to the next drawer down, pliers, 1/4 inch, 3/8, breaker bar. We've got belt tools, grippers, more belt tools, blowgun. Next drawer down is your brake stuff, brake attachments. You do have hose plant plier, tire gauge. When we come down here, we've got oil filters, adapters, sockets. Allen, Torx. Next door down, cutoff wheels, drill bits, hearing devices, attachments, next drawer. Let's go to the other cart. This is more diagnostic based. This is scanner, along with some pry bars, FLIR, thermal, charging. In the top drawer, we have another scanner with scope, bore scope, breakout box, temperature reading devices, AC, soldering items. Here we have some more diagnostic, battery tester, also tests alternator, some more oscilloscope style items to detect or check for open and short grounds on circuits. These are all attachments for testing equipment. Ohm meter, jump box. Oh, one more. Power probe with attachments. And we have some wire terminal tools, extension. Underneath we have T-handles, both metric and standard. Another power probe. Coil unplug tester. EFI tester. Spark tester. Continuity. This is a relay tester. This is coolant testing. Coolant tester. Next door down, compression tester with adapters. We have O2 sensor for back pressure, leak down tester, hydro testing, tow rope. This is a pressure tester, also with transducer and attachments. Vacuum pump tester. Then we have transfer kit, transfer fluid kit for drill pump, AC, suction pump, cooling system refill kit, lockout kit, complete. And let's take a look at the other cart. We also have a fan, a cart with fan, another cart. Keep that bag on the bottom that has nothing in it, but just in case I need to take something. We have another cart. On this cart, we have extension cables, specialty item for doing line testing, calibration for radios, and in the top drawer we have a low amp probe, high amp probe, wire stripper, smart ear. It attaches to your electronic devices so you can hear different frequencies and sounds. Dial indicator, digital, mechanical dial indicator, soldering tool, Noid lights, brake light testers for trailers, these are the adapters for the Snap-on scanner. And the next drawer down, we have a short finder, AC equipment, coolant pressure tester. This is a fuel pressure tester. We also have the Sonic Air ears that are wireless ear chassis. We do have another power probe back here in the bottom. It's called a hook. And then we have adapters for the coolant tester. And on the bottom, we have a welding helmet with gloves, fender cover. We also have the tools for the alignment machine that are ours, that are mine, not the shop's. And then we come to the toolbox. We have a pry bar, rather large one. That is my laptop, charging dock station for the scanner. Top drawer of the toolbox, we have sockets. So you can see we go from metric and we also have standard. Specialty tool wise, we do have some extractors. We also have for the Ford spark plug, more extractors, and these are the metric extractors. Extractor, more lights. These are the Torx Plus. These are the short kit. And 3/8. We also have the 1/2 inch versions down here. We have both the 3/8 digital torque meter and a 1/2 inch. And then we have more sockets on the bottom here. These are all the 12 points and multi-point sockets. More of a lockout kit. We have another 1/2 inch torque wrench here. And let's go down the right side of the toolbox. These are the standards. As you can see, I have one trophy, standard wrenches, stubbies that are resting. We have another ohm meter. We have more torques, reverse and regular, long torques, timing light, battery savers. On this drawer, we keep chisels, bits, cut-off wheels, drills, riveting tools, air hammers. On this one, we have mostly our adapters that are for taking harmonic balancers off, power steering pumps, we have an induction meter. We have a ball joint press, and we also have a hub tamer, as you can see. Ball joint press is underneath. Ball joint press. Next drawer over, these are the metrics. Pliers. Pliers. More specialty stuff, mostly exhaust expansion tubes, timing, sets, seal installers. We do have an AC sniffer, another short finder, 3/4 inch impact, down here is our pullers. You can see there's a large quantity of pullers in here and adapters. We also have a hub extractor, bolt onto the hub. Top drawer over on the left, kind of our junk drawer. We keep tape measures in here, levels, sharpening tools, pens. Next drawer down, we have our torque sticks, AC adapter sets, here's miscellaneous drill bits, extractors, taps, small tap set. On this one we have dial indicators. We have the large and the small. This is for brake line flaring tool, steering wheel pullers, pipe benders, and cutters. This drawer we have fuel line disconnect tools, dash work tools, filter wrenches, wheel gauges, TPMS tools, and stud installers. On this drawer we have a thread kit. We have both metric and standard tap and die sets. We have both the large and the small. Spill funnel, more AC stuff, and this concludes the tour. Thank you.